I have brought this very amazing and very regional, which is connected to the roots recipe, which is called Yogi Dal. I mean, I call it Yogi Dal for a reason. Why I call it Yogi Dal? Because it is very calming and very soothing for your gut. It is very Sattvic kind of preparation, which is basically very suitable for all the weathers. I am going to be serving this with black rice and a little bit of salad. Let's see how we are making it. We are going to add the vegetables first. The first goes is carrot, radish, cauliflower, bottle gourd. The soul of this recipe, ghee. We're going to give a quick stir. We are going to add Ajwain, carom seeds, which is going to give a beautiful flavor to this entire recipe. A quick stir again. And the aroma is incredible. Salt goes in. Turmeric, anti-inflammatory properties of turmeric. We all know turmeric needs absolutely no rendezvous. I'm going to add soaked Moong dal. Moong dal is very easy to digest, full of plant-based protein. A quick stir again. Here goes water. Make sure that the water is not at the room temperature. It has to be hot enough to match with the temperature of vegetables which you are cooking, so that your cooking enhances, your product becomes better. You got it? Now another thing I want to do is, along with the dal which while it is cooking, I need some accompaniment to eat. So I will start cooking the black rice, which I have soaked, which is incredibly amazing accompaniment with Yogi Dal. Let's boil water for cooking the rice. I have taken this much of water because I am going to cook this with throwaway method. The water is boiling and I am going to add the rice now. Very small amount of pink salt goes in. Few drops of flaxseed oil, which is optional completely. When you're stirring the rice, make sure that you do not be very brutal. Be gentle, because you unknowingly are going to break the rice, which is not a good idea. So you know why I call it Yogi Dal? Yogi Dal because it's very cooling, very calming, very gut friendly. It's actually making your microbiome reset. So Yogi Dal makes your entire system very cool, calm, and your body is going to love this preparation. Yogi Dal is beautifully cooked, 2 whistles done, and the pressure is being released completely. Let's open and check. So what do you say about this beautiful, incredible Yogi Dal? It is completely optional. I'm putting little lemon juice, crushed black pepper, and coriander leaves. Mix it well. I personally love this thickness, but if you want to adjust the thickness, you can add little hot water to this. The rice is cooked. You can check it like this. So Yogi Dal is ready, our black rice is ready. Now I'm all set to serve and I can't wait for it. Here goes the rice. Here goes the dal. Adding a little salad for crunch. I want to drizzle a little ghee all over again. It's time for tasting. This is tasting heaven. There are no words for this. This is beautiful. You saw how easy it was to make, and this is such a soulful and amazing combination. I really request all of you to please give a try at least, and please let me know in comment section that how did you find this recipe. I'm sure this is going to hit like a nostalgia. This is going to feel like a warm hug. This is Chef Rahull Singh signing off. Eat healthy and stay happy. Bye.